Hello everyone! This is a tutorial on how to make an easy spiral balloon tower or column without stand. No helium with 3 colors. Please watch till the end of the video as I show you my tips and tricks on how to make an easy spiral balloon. For this spiral balloon, you will need the following. 1 balloon for the base. We will fill this balloon with water. 8 light green balloons for the bottom. 12 white balloons, 6 light green and 6 dark green balloons. White will be the dominant color. Blow up your balloons 2 at a time. You can either use a measurement to ensure the balloons are approximately the same size or eyeball it like I did. Here I use an electric pump. This was purchased online from Amazon. It really speeds up the blowing process. If there are extra air, release some. Then tie both the balloons together like so. I want 2 rows of light green balloons for the bottom, so here I blow up 8 light green balloons. First, blow up the dominant colored balloons. For this spiral tower, white is the dominant color. Blow up 2 white balloons, measure the size of the balloons and tie them together. If you want a neater look on your spiral tower, the balloons should be same size. It is important that you tie the dominant color balloons together to form a pair. If your dominant color is blue, then you would tie 2 blue colored balloons together. Here I continue to form pairs of balloons with the rest of the white balloons. Then continue and blow up 2 different colored balloons and tie them together like so. Go ahead and work with the rest of the balloons. If you are enjoying the video so far, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Now fill up a balloon or your base balloon with water. Tie a curling ribbon around it. Next, form a quad. To form a quad, take 2 pairs of balloons, insert 1 pair into the other and twist it twice or more. A quad should look like this and it should feel tight and secure. As a side note, I want 2 rows of light green balloons for the bottom, so I am building the bottom first. Take the water balloon and insert it in the middle like so. Go ahead and loop the curling ribbon around each balloon. Gently tuck the ribbon each time you loop around the balloon. It should look like this. This is my first row of light green balloons for the bottom. Let's go ahead and make the second row of light green balloons for the bottom. Make a quad and place it over the first quad of light green balloons. Once you are done, Loop the curling ribbon over the balloons in the second row and first row. Gently tuck them and it should feel tight and secure. Now let's build the spiral look for the balloon. Take 2 sets of balloons, 1 set of dominant color balloons and another set of balloons with 2 different colors. Form a quad like so. The balloons should be alternating in color. Layer it over the other layer and loop curling ribbons around it. Then form another quad and place the balloons such that the colors are aligned like so to create a spiral look. The placement of the balloons is very important. The curling ribbon holds the balloons in place. You will notice that I loop the curling ribbons around the balloons on the bottom layers as well. As you can already see, this is a really easy balloon tower that anyone can build. Not only is it easy, but also beautiful. Give it a try and I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. Voila! Here is your easy spiral balloon tower or column without stand, no helium used, with 3 colors. I added a balloon topper, link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you've made it this far, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you again.